How to fix "You were disconnected from Blizzard services" error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This tool is designed to automatically identify and resolve issues related to internet connectivity on a PC. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.